Friends, I think we are having a great time today with a lot of decoration, and I think credit goes to Sandeep Bhai. He was very keen that we all should meet and come out of the uh, fear that we all have, and we are all confined to home. So thank you, Sandeep Bhai. He approached me and he told me that, Kiran Bhai, I would like you to talk on hope. So I said, you have to give me time. And I think he gave me sufficient time. Hope. I think every one of us has some hope or the other, right from the day we are born till we die. Because everybody has some hope or the other. My son will get pass, I will get good marks, admission. Somebody is sick in the house, he will be all right. So like that we have several hopes. And before we talk on hope 2021, let us see what we have learned from 2020. See, these are the things according to me we have learned. Patience, we all have patience. Then apathy, sahanabhuti, minimalism. Our needs have been reduced, right? We can do with small things. Then we survive out of the challenges. Lot of challenges we had. घर में साला servant नहीं आता था, बीबी बोलते थे झाड़ू कौन मारेगा, तो like that, So a lot of challenges, I think we have faced. Then adopted like never before. I mean, everybody adopted. Servant नहीं आया तो चलता है, सब्जी आज नहीं है तो चलता है, something like that. So we adapted to the situation. That was the great thing. I think very few times in our lifetime this happens, but this happened. It was a miracle. And relationship, caring, considerations. We had good relations with our neighbors. The young chap will say, Auntie, मैं बाजार जा रहा हूँ, सब्जी आपके लिए लेकर आऊँ. So like that, a lot of people, they were considerate. Even our watchman in the building used to, take the risk and go. So that sort of a consideration was there. So overall, the pandemic was a happy situation, I would say. Of course, those whom we have lost, for them it was a bad situation. But overall, जो हम लोग सब बिगड़े हुए थे ना, उसको सुधार दिया. That is what I would say in Hindi. So now entering 2021, remember, life will not change suddenly because the date has changed. We can't change. It will still take time. People have rightly said that pandemic has not gone. So slowly and gradually this can happen. And life changes when our mindset changes. Simply the date change doesn't help. Our mindset should also change. And mindset will change when we stop to hate 2020. अभी भी लोग गाली दे रहे हैं 2020 को, साला किधर से आ गए हो. But people forget that it has taught us so many good things. That is what we have to appreciate. We have to see the positive side of it. So we should love 2020 and appreciate what wonderful lessons we have learned in 2020. I think these are the few lessons which I have narrated, but we may have learned so many things. Well, a lot of people, WhatsApp group where I have seen, they will, today I cook so and so. Bharat Bhai would say, I cook khichdi. Mistri will say, I have done something. So likewise, a lot of people learned so many things. And as we enter 2021, look back at 2020 with utmost respect and honor. See, anything which goes in your mind and you remember continuously, it will harm you. But the moment you try to love the situation which has gone, I think you would come out fast than otherwise. So, now entering 2021, remember, gratitude will trick the brain and put us into abundance. Because it is the gratitude that we express will train our brain, and it is the brain which does everything. And focus on what we have and use those resources rather than those resources we don't have. सबके पास कुछ ना कुछ तो है ना, talent है. Some people may have money, some people may have manpower, some people may have so many other things which other people don't have. So you appreciate that and utilize that and come out of the pain that you have suffered through pandemic. And truth is, we all have evolved and matured and grown and another level altogether. From one level to another level we have gone. What we had not experienced, what we have not seen earlier, we have all tolerated it and come out of it. So far, I mean, if you see the loss of people, it is not as many as the loss of people in America or Europe which happened. So India has, I mean, very well come out. People also said a few minutes back that our country managed it very well. And I think it is the support of the people who stayed in the house, they obeyed the rules, and of course, it's a large population for a country like India. It is very difficult to control such a situation, but still, we have done better than others. And therefore, we like to salute 2020 and honor and respect 2020 to fulfill. Now coming back to the main subject. This learning will help achieving hopes. Now my topic, as Sandeep Bhai has given, that how 2021 will be better or how we can make it better. So I will go on that. So everyone has lot of hopes for better 2020, isn't it? We all hope. एक बार कंटाल के बाहर आ गए हम, तो लगता है कभी यहाँ से निकल गए, we'll be all right. Okay. So that is the feeling all of us have. So what is hope? And then how we can achieve or realize hopes? That is important, right? How we can achieve the hopes? Because we have a lot of hopes, but how do we achieve it? So first let us see the meaning and significance of hope. Hope has several meanings and definitions, but to me, it means always looking on the bright side of the life. Always looking at the bright side of the life. Positive. And seeing challenges as opportunities. See, every challenge brings opportunity. We have to focus on the opportunity which are available and take and grab it. And always hoping for the best. Because unless you hope for the best will never happen. So pandemic has brought a lot of new opportunities in the world. If I talk about some of the Rotarians also, I give you the examples. It has brought a lot of good opportunities. The opportunities where doctors are now available online consultation. You can book them on Paytm में पैसा भरो. Doctor will give you time. Video conferencing like on your mobile, WhatsApp. You can consult the doctor. You need not go to the doctor for small complaints. Of course, major complaints you do have to go. Then business of sanitizing products. सब जगह sanitizer available है, किधर भी जाओ, right? So that business has developed. Then mask, PPE kits, thermometers, and other medical apparatus, they are being sold because everywhere किधर भी जाओ, आपका temperature लेता है. Then your pulse, oxygen level, everything is measured. So this is the new avenue which has opened for business. And I tell you, we were lucky. In a sprayer industry, we were lucky. We developed 4 new types of equipment specially for sanitizing during the pandemic. And we had a huge sale. So we were very lucky, and fortunately enough, my all factory workers, they came 100% in our factory. They had 100% attendance in our factory. We took a lot of care of our employees, and they were all, I mean, there was no fatality. And we worked through factory and also from home. All our people work from home. So this was and we did not have time. I will give you one example. Timir is my dealer. Where is Timir? Yeah, he is my dealer. Timir used to open his shop to sell my sprayers. Right from 9 o'clock in the morning, Nita and Timir both used to come, and they were there in the shop till 7 o'clock in the evening. That was the situation. And Timir could have never sold in his lifetime, I mean past years, more than 2 lakhs of rupees or 5 lakhs of or 10 lakhs of rupees equipment, but during pandemic he sold 1 crore and 25 lakh. So that was the opportunity, you know. And during that time his house was, his apartment was quarantined, but still he worked. He took the help of Apu. Where is Apu? So this is how it happened. So you are the vegetable walas. You know, next door to my house, if you go to visit, Bella baigan bekta tha, chawli bekta tha, something like that. I mean usual vegetables. But now exotic vegetables you get mushroom from him. People have realized that mushroom is people are health conscious. So mushrooms are selling, colorful capsicums are available, then lettuce is available. So even his business has also prospered. Then sale of cars, motorcycles and cycles have increased. Now today, bicycles are in short supplies, if you know. So people have started, now they go on. One of my neighbor, he goes to Andheri for his work in the office, he goes on a bicycle. Every morning he goes.
Both Aureka and Aureka are using bicycle for daily practice.
Correct, yes. So the health equipments are under sale, good sales for all, because people have become health conscious. Then health and immunity related products. Kada, lot of other immunity products are available. People are making kada at home also. And every housewife is talking to other housewife. आप क्या डालते हो? बोलता है मैं ये डालती हूँ, अच्छा ये भी डालती है. The talks are going on because people are health conscious. So this is increased. Then webinars. That's a new business. I will give you one good example. The building contractor of our development is purely a building, is a contractor. You will be surprised that because his all employees left and gone to Bihar or UP or wherever they are from. He was jobless. So what he did, he started doing webinars, management coach classes, and he wrote a book which was the highest selling book on the Amazon. I gave one to our friend, I gave one book to Pritesh. I mean, this is how people, you know, they started thinking something new and they were successful. Then online sales of product by companies. Companies are now directly selling their products online. Then computers, laptop, services and accessories, they are also having a booming sales. And digital marketing, now a new funda has come. Now through digital marketing, people are selling their products. And many more. So, you know, it was a full of opportunity. Those people who thought of it, they realized and they got it. So now, how do we turn hopes into reality? This is a big question, right? So, hope is seeing light in spite of being surrounded by darkness. For example, when we were all thinking what to do when the Modi declared on 20th of March, lockdown, काम पे जाने का नहीं, कुछ करने का नहीं, what to do now? So people have thought of sanitizing. And you see the sanitizing bottles are available everywhere. Kidhar bhi jao, it is available. And a lot of people have started manufacturing. Even the companies which were in different business, they also did it. So this was the opportunity we had. So with adversity comes opportunity. Every adversity always brings some opportunity. We have to find out what is the opportunity available. And don't miss it because you were too busy complaining about the struggle. सर पे हाथ दे के कोई फायदा नहीं है. Whenever you are in a difficulties, don't think that you are in a difficult situation. Think of coming out of the situation. And if you think, some ways will come out, some idea will come out to your mind. So that is what is required. So adversity can be turned to opportunity simply by adjusting our perceptions and attitude. Attitude plays a major role. So, as I said, okay, where our Appu was selling jhari, he entered into sanitizing products. And he is doing the same business now. Right? Appu. Then you know this couple? Yes, Atul Shah and Isita Shah. They were in manufacturing clothing and exporting. Their business suffered. So you know what they are doing now? Khakra. They have put up a industry making khakra. At least 30 to 40 types of khakras he is making. So this is our Rotarian, past Rotarian, Atul Shah and Isita Shah. They are in this business. They were our members. Gitesh brought him. Gitesh he was a good friend of Gitesh, and I think Geeta and Nitin Malkan also knows him very well. So hope lives at all times. We are born with hope and we die with hope. A child, when he is born, to attract the attention, cries, right? And the mother takes, and then he keeps quiet. So that is, the hope starts right from there, because he hopes, if I cry, my mother will take. If I cry, my mother will give me feed. Something like that. And when you are on the deathbed, you always think, और 4 दिन मिल जाएगा, मैं अच्छा हो जाऊंगा. That is what, the hope lives. While studying also you hope that I should get a better marks, I should get good marks, good admission. So somewhere or the other, the hope is in our mind all the time. And hope lives with us right from day 1 till end. It never ends. And there cannot be anyone without hope. मैं नहीं समझता हूँ दुनिया में कोई आदमी ऐसा होगा कि जिसका कोई इच्छा ही नहीं हो, आशा ही नहीं हो उसके मन में, दिमाग में. ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है. Everybody has some hope or the other hope. And most of the reasonable hopes do materialize. Now what do I mean by reasonable hopes? That I will talk later. So, once you choose hope, anything is possible. See, Dhirubhai Ambani, when he thought the postcard ke cost mein I will give the mobile, and he did it. 40 paisa minute, if you remember. He was the Anil Ambani when he brought the mobile phone. So he fulfilled the dream of his father. The father had said that time the postcard was costing 40 paisa. And he thought that I will give 1 minute talk time at 40 paisa, and he did it. So it was his hope. He had desired and he got it. So where there is hope, there is faith. Where there is hope, there is faith. And where there is a faith, miracle happens. That is always happened. But you must have a good hope, faith, then the miracle will take place. So, to give you a small example, in Palo Alto, California, there was an IT company where about 300 people were working in an office. And in the office, the employees themselves had thought that why not we have a lottery every month. So every 4th Saturday, they used to get together, sorry, 4th Friday, they used to get together in the evening after the office hours, and each one will put $10 in a dabba. And at the same time, they will write their name in the, and they put their cheat in the other dabba. And somebody will draw it. Whoever is lucky will get all $300, because $3,000. So this was the practice. All the employees were giving $10. But their sweepers, one lady, she could not afford. She never used to give. So when the draw was opened, she got the prize of $3,000. So she was really surprised that I did not contribute, nor I put my cheat in it, and how this has happened. So when her name was announced, she goes to the announcer and she took the mic and she said, no, this is humbug. This is not the money that I should get. Then somebody, one young man, he stood up and he came to the mic and he said, Madam, I knew, so I put your name. The money was mine, I put your name. And I all the time prayed that you should get this money, and you got it. So what I am saying is the miracle does happen. Your intention should be correct. So when you win, you celebrate. But when you fail, you tend to ponder. It is the pondering that makes you better. Failure is possible, right? But after failure, if you ponder, you will definitely find some ways out. And I have two examples to give you, the recent examples. One is this, our recent 2 test matches in Australia. The first match, we lost miserably. You must have seen what score we did, right? But the second match, they won with a very poor performance of Australia. So that is the spirit. What I have said in the earlier slide is this, that it is only your hope and honest hope, hard work, with good intention, you will definitely do it. And the second miracle happened. Another classic example. Our players were humiliated in Australian ground, Adelaide, I think. They were humiliated. So they decided we can't win the match, but at least we can draw to it, we can make it a draw. And they did it. All these 4 players which you see on the screen, they were the players. They played till the match was over. So what I am saying is that once you decide and your will is strong enough, you can definitely achieve what you think. So no one can live without hope. Hope is a fuel. You know, it acts as a fuel. अपना कोई इच्छा ही नहीं होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे, घर पे बैठे रहेंगे, right? But if you have some will, some hopes, you definitely work for it. So it is the hope which acts as a fuel in our body. Then hope ignites energy within us. Once you have hope, it will make you work towards achieving the hope, right? So it acts as a energy building up. Hope keeps life going. अगर आपका पास कोई hope ही नहीं होगा, तो will you feel enjoying the life? No. You should have some hope. Somebody will think I will buy a good car. Somebody will think I'll find a good apartment. Somebody will say that my son will get good marks. Something like that. So some hope that makes us live and enjoy the life. And hope leads us to progress. Unless you have hope, you can't progress, right? So that also, the hope helps, and the hope makes life meaningful. If you don't have hope, your life is not meaningful. So the word hope shows how one can turn hope into reality. H-O-P-E. So first H is honest efforts, hard work, because anything you want to achieve, you have to have a hard work, right? Then heroism. Heroism means you should be a leader, brave enough to face the situation. And humbleness is required, humility is required, and apathy. That is very important. So you should have this first. Then second word is O. O is an opportunity. There are opportunities available. You should try to grab it. And you should be optimistic. You cannot think, nahi, mere se nahi hoega, I will fail. Then you can never win. So you should be optimistic and also objective. You should have an object in your mind. And P. P is perseverance, passionate, patience, and persistence. Lage raho munna bhai. Then only you are successful, right? And E is enthusiasm, eagerness. And Yeah, you should have an energy to do it. You should make efforts. So that is HOPE, and hope is the companion of success, for who hope strongly has within him a gift of miracles. Then only the miracle happens, right? And finally, friends, never lose hope. Storm makes us stronger, and storm is only for a while. कोई भी storm आता है ना, वो थोड़े time के लिए आता है. Like कोई ऐसा storm like our pandemic has lasted about 9 months. But most of the thing you must have observed that it lives for a smaller time. So that time you must have a patience. अगर आप डर गए तो मर गए. So this is what small presentation I wanted to make. I hope you enjoyed. So thank you, Sandeep bhai, for giving me a time, and I had very little time to make it, but still I did it.